Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Power and Sleep. This is where Windows controls screen timeout. Change both screen and sleep to never so the display won't turn off. If you're on a laptop, plug in the charger now because battery saver overrides can turn screens off. Once done, make sure to note whether you changed plugged-in versus battery settings. The distinction prevents unexpected sleep when you unplug. These are the essential prerequisites and first actionable steps. Next, you dig into advanced power settings to control finer behaviors. Open your active plan settings and click Change Advanced Power Settings, then expand the Display section. Set Turn Off Display to never and disable adaptive brightness so ambient light doesn't dim or sleep the screen. If you use a docking station or external monitor, check those entries too. Once you apply changes, make sure to save the plan. This ensures the system respects the Never Sleep choice across reboot. Finish by disabling any screensaver and verifying OEM utilities don't override Windows power settings. You open Personalization right arrow lock screen right arrow screensaver settings and set it to none. Then inspect Intel, NVIDIA, or laptop vendor apps for their power or display controls. If the screen still turns off, run Windows Power Troubleshooter and update display drivers because faulty drivers can trigger sleep. One key troubleshooting tip: test in safe mode or a fresh user account to isolate third-party apps that may force the screen to sleep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.